Oh, testing. Okay. And we are back with Enchanted by Nature, and we are with a new sim. We're still going to see Penelope and her thruple, or whatever they are going to be. But I wanted to add another fairy here because I went through the effort of making a sim over for Penelope, and then she didn't even get to meet him. So obviously he needs someone because that's how it works. And I know I just used this hair, but it looks so good on her. So this is Maisie Ray, and she's living in Nordhaven in Mitzi's old place. I'm not sure how well you know Mitzi, because when I was recording that one, I had a lot of sound issues with The Sims 4 that I couldn't quite figure out. But so far, it's been well behaved. But she was for businesses and hobbies because I had her forget to work and she owned all my businesses. Nevertheless, I wanted to use this house again. Or did I? I don't know. Maybe I just didn't feel like looking for this another thing. But it's okay because we do want her to have a little business. Even just a small one. I mean, obviously, but you know what I mean. Get rid of that. Don't ask what she's going to be selling. I'm undecided. What am I looking for? Uh, surfaces? My shelves? I guess. Now, this obviously isn't going to be the main focus or anything, but it's something else. Maybe just one for now. Now, Mitzi had a candy shop. She has plants, but not quite a plant shop. Or is it? Maybe it can be. I don't know. Also, I see she doesn't have that much money, but it doesn't matter because we're going to just give her her funds. I forgot. 34. Do we want pottery? I don't know. There's an idea. Possibly eggs. I have absolutely no plans. We jump in and we care about nothing. Just need to place it. Let me see if it'll let me. There we go. It's a tight fit, but it'll do. And we need some windows. Obviously. I don't know why it keeps blinking like that. But such is the way. Or maybe just like that. Just a place to get started, methinks. Then we'll change her money again. So beige and unnecessary. Maisie is a colorful sim. Maybe that one with a nice splash here and there. I'm not quite sure why that wall is there, but I don't need it. I mean, I'm just setting this up so I don't forget, but we're actually gonna be heading out when I'm done. I just started, and I already don't know what I'm doing. Although I guess that's not too different from any other day that you watch my stuff. Yeah. I just want to give her the exact same bed. But we won't. I actually kind of like that green one. Because of whatever that is. Oops. I want these ones. That is going to bug me. But there's nothing I can do. I don't know if you can see that. But the building itself is all shaky for some reason when I mess with the windows. Let's see. Maybe she could use those plants we just got. Wherever they are. I'm not paying attention. You would know them if you saw them. These ones. What is this? I don't know or care. If you're going to be beige out there. This is one, isn't it? Yeah. It is, but does it actually look good with that? I don't know. I'm gonna tell myself it looks good with that and move it along. I have different things on my mind. For some reason, I was watching Bluey. And that makes me think sometimes. Well, I mean, I was watching it because it's good, but whatever. I mean, kinda. Yeah, that vanity is gonna bug me. I mean, I guess I do need some beige in here. It goes with the night tables. And all that. But also a full length mirror. Tell me I can't have it. Okay. At least for now, I think that's good enough. Let's give it a save, and then we'll take Maisie out. The gallery was behaving today, so I put down a few more items. Oh, actually, there is one I forgot. Let me see if I can get it to behave again. It must always be recorded when it's behaving. Uh, I don't know why I do that. I know Oasis Springs is not down there. Let's see. What did I pass? Oh, see that there was proof of it behaving. It just doing what I tell it to do. I feel like I need this wedding venue. That's not what I came here for, but now we're gonna place it anyways. And I know sometimes when you put down the wedding venues, it's not gonna work, so you have to place it as is and then go in, change it, and then change it back to a wedding venue. But it doesn't matter. It's such a minor bug. At least I know it's there. I mean, we're bound to have a few weddings, right? Right. I don't have that many because I like them to be special. See, that right there was proof of it working. But it gets no treats. Um, don't ask why I'm rambling. I don't know. This is what happens when I have no plan. And this is not new, right? Right. You know, I just looked at what I wanted when I was placing the other things. But now I don't see it. I see another thing I want, but again, I'm not going to place that right now. I think we're getting close to it. Was it this one? No, this is the bowling alley that we get, but I turned it into a restaurant. I remember I had fixed up the builds. I think both versions are uploaded, but whatever, it doesn't matter. I just wanted it. That and one other thing. Quick before the gallery is on its ladies' days again. It's a right, you know what. I think this one's closer. Almost. I don't know. Have a little faith. I mean, at least I'm rambling and not speaking that loud, so you can just pretend that you don't hear me. That's what I do to myself all the time. It's good, right? Right. Uh, it's like I was just looking at it and thinking, yes, I need that again because I want it. Hmm. And now I'm getting distracted by other things that I haven't used in a long time. It cannot be this far down. Mm, yeah, we're gonna move in a little. I mean, I see the edit for the rattlesnake, but I don't see. I was looking to replace the gem. I prefer my gem. I mean, it's the same one. I just fixed it up. Oh, but I don't see it. Unless it actually is that far down and I just didn't scroll enough. It wouldn't be the first time that I got lost on the gallery. Alright, well, I give up. I don't see it. We'll just have to deal with that one until maybe I find it again. We want to go to Glimmerbrook. No. And maybe he'll show up. And now this is another build that comes um, with a pack, but I had fixed it up a little. Not much, but a little. What's your favorite drink? Is it cold? Emotional force runs out slower. Oh, nice. She dislikes rascals? I mean, I guess? Apple nectar. Well, aren't you uppity? It's okay. You're lucky you're pretty. Are you talking to me because you don't know I'm a fairy? Well, she automatically hates Simeon. You know, I was just dealing with another Simeon I don't like. Oh. Is that because she's a witch? Because I feel like everyone kept saying that, but I didn't see where it was that fairies and witches don't get along. Well, that's going to be a problem. But that's okay. And don't pick fights either, Maisie. Honestly. Hmm. I feel like I'm just. I guess the point is to feel like you're out in the middle of nowhere. I don't see him. But you know, I'll go to his house because there's his mother. She's like, go ahead, pick a fight with me. I'll follow you to your house and burn you in your bed. Because that's not evil because she's a fairy. It's mischievous. Yeah, I think. Let me see. We don't have a favorite plant child. We just moved in. What does hangry mean? No, no, no. Let's not do that. We can do it to him. Actually, we'll do it to her because she started it. Um, she's like, you know, disrespecting me makes me sad. And when I'm sad, my colors are dull. And when my colors are dull, I get murderous. Right? Right. So the question is does this kill them? Or is it playful? I have no idea. I want to. And now she's flirting. That had the opposite effect. It's okay, though. We're gonna get stuff. Just for you, Grace. Call out for use of unnatural magic. Oh, is that why they don't get along? You're just like Gale from Baldur's Gate. You know, him and the, what was it, the sorcerers? He's always got a comment about that. Something like, "Oh, obviously you're good in magic, but I mean you've not studied." Now listen here, Gale. Oh, there he is. I knew you'd be here. We're gonna have to work hard at that relationship. That's Darell. Um, Darell Charm. He's Minerva's son or grandson. I don't know. And that look of, you want me to date her? Not just date. You're gonna marry her and have 5 babies. Freaking sass me. Maisie's relationship with Darell started on a bad foot because fairies and spellcasters do not mix well. I don't care. She's like, come on, humor me. And I should do that because your confidence is off the charts. A charmer like you can command anything of the universe and reap all the benefits. So basically, she just called him hot with a nice ass. Sure, let's say that. I I don't know. Oh, we should watch our language. She commented his tuchus. Is that better? Yeah, Maisie's not one to give up, Darell. All right. Now I made you over for a fairy, and I care not how you feel about it. Travis, you're causing too many problems. Do you want me to delete you? I will. And the musical chairs. Oh, look, they've got some green in their bar. Does that mean we run away while we're still good? Horrific? Maisie feels good after reading a sim with a major aura. Uh, Intricate discussion. When talking to fairies, you're guaranteed to have a magical conversation. There is no proof of that. Pretend to be interested in non fairy sim traditions. No, Maisie's not like that. If she asks you, she wants to know. We don't have anything to give him as a gift. You do? He's probably not gonna like that, but we're gonna do it anyways. Oh, hey! Prove me wrong. Yeah, see, you know you like it. I got your number picked, buddy. And they would make such beautiful babies. I think he's gonna leave, but I can finally have someone be with him. Not really like I was trying all that hard, but we're gonna pretend I was trying that hard. What was that? You feel good luck today? Is that why you're able to talk to him? We don't want to be friends with you, Shobin. Uh, okay. We're gonna have. I mean, he's coming back, but we're gonna have her go. And maybe get started on her garden. Because I haven't had much gardening. Even though maybe I should. I don't know. Does it matter? Not really. I mean, if you're watching this one, I assume you're watching another Let's Play as well. I don't necessarily have to look at everything. Actually, I'm not sure that I know how to do that. Oh, I forgot. I'm sure there's plenty of things that I've never looked at. Not even once, not even a little bit. We're not ready to open yet, but I'm gonna put this here anyways. Hmm. Where's that one table? I guess it's not in this specific pack, obviously. It's okay. My brain just went stupid there for a minute. Bright and colorful, even just a little bit. Not that much. Guys, for all this white. I think it's trying to upset me on purpose. Oh, that's not much better. Is that doing too much? Probably. Let's do it anyways. There. Now, I just wanted to grab her a couple more things. And we need that side table. It's not that expensive, is it? No. What am I doing? Aside from being stupid, not much, I guess. But that's okay, I think. We have that. Just realized. And we want to get her some more of those plants, I guess. But different. I thought I saw it snap to it, but whatever, that's fine. Succulents. Do you water succulents? I have no idea. Press Alt. Oops. There was nothing of interest we wanted to do there. Let that be clear. I'm gonna give her candy machine too. And I was just editing, just slightly, an old park of mine. And the park Seemed like it was very much fit for fairies. You know, I'm gonna make this door smaller. You are interfering with what I want. Honestly. I mean, I know I can extend it a little. Uh, okay, and another shelf. Oh, when I get caught. In decorating. Okay. That might be good enough to a point. Yes, yes. Need anywhere else? For now, that's good. Compliment plant on photosynthesis? I guess. Tell plant they're your favorite. We're not sure why. It was just decided, and there was nothing to be done about it. We'll need to get some fairy dust, actually. And you don't get to have your own fairy house because Penelope uses her fairy hut too often. Well, not really. It's not really an issue. It's just, I make the effort to give them such a nice bedroom. And then they don't listen. It's kind of rude. Mm. She might have to be Penelope's friend. Since Penelope keeps trying to woohoo all of her friends. If you're gonna do that, at least use your fairy form. And you can change your outfit too. I gave her a lovely outfit to go with her look. Isn't she pretty? Oh, she has some. Okay, and what the hell are you doing, you weirdo? Following a calling has never been so easy. Best friends from complimenting plan. Did it say nothing could soil Maisie's day? That's not okay. I don't know who wrote that, but I think someone needs to hit you. No, I'm kidding. It's great. Or is it? I don't know. I know. Back into build mode. I think I left it pink for Mitzi, but I think Maisie needs it green. I said this. Apparently I didn't want that, but I mean, maybe? That's a little better. I was just going to give her some plants. No. Okay. Well, at least one of my fairies has to be a gardener, and it's going to be her. Even while she's chasing her wizard around. I don't really care. Who are you talking to? Spring. Strawberries. Is oh no, I thought it was potatoes. It's not. Imagine that. Let's go ahead and go do that then. I imagine this is quite hard to hear, but it's okay. I haven't said one important thing all day. Not even pretend important. I just wanted to record, that's all. Enchant all plants nearby strawberry bush. Fertilizer, depleted, water's fine. Let's get all these planted. Okay. I don't care. We're still going to be watering all of them. Oh, she found some simoleons. What simoleons? Speaking of, testing cheese on. Oh, let's call you 4,500 instead. I mean, she could take a class, but we're not gonna. Maybe she can sell some of these. Well, I suppose she needs to register a small business first. Maisie's Daisies. I guess. I don't. We sell food, plants, and plant food. Friendly. Oh, you can craft apothecary elixirs together. Maybe do pottery. I'd browse and buy items. Isn't there like a care for plants? Well, there's care for animals. Eat. I guess tin garden. Maybe. I don't know. That's probably good for now, I guess. Entrance free hourly. Target customers. Well, teens can come. I guess everybody? Well, no, not everybody. It'll send me more people than I can handle. Okay, it won't let me set that for sale. What if I put it on one of these shelves? Yep. Because why wouldn't it? Stop. Why does it keep doing that? That's really annoying. Are we supposed to stand up at the thing? They have seats, right? Maybe that's just the wrong one. Not public, residential. Residential. I don't know if you have to do the whole thing. So, and great soil, I guess. Okay, so it does need a seed. Well, I'm not sure why she's being difficult then. Was it because it was too close to the shelf? Because I swear it's always the dumbest thing. We'll get back to Penelope in the next part, I guess. Oh, speaking of getting back to other things, I guess I have to go back to the Cayen's family. You'll actually be able to see them properly this time. They've only just barely started their legacy. we're getting along. What was that? Blush. I know, you're so exhausted. So am I. I need some coffee. Don't ask why I'm taking pictures. I need them for something. And give it a minute. Perfect. We're gonna need something else to sell these on, aren't we? Because I want to sell those. That fit there? Yeah. We need a brown one though. There we go. Perfect. Alright, well, I suppose that's enough messing around for now. So, like and subscribe if you feel so moved, and I'll see you in the next one.